Hi, good evening, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here. Anyway, you join me, not on a journey, but as I'm setting something up. Right. Got some stuff that I was waiting for today from eBay. It's even delivered right outside my door, which is nice. Right. Okay. Right. Yep. As you can see, I've treated myself and my new car to some proper tailored mats for it. These are heavier duty rubber ones, so they tend to last longer. It's always safer with rubber, if you know what I mean. So, just now these clip on, so even better. Well, the front ones do, anyway. Right. So as I don't forget that. These will probably smell for a bit, but compared with some other smells I've had in cars before now, as my friends will specify, it will be an improvement. Okay, now for the back, which we just set out like so. You will see this in a moment. Just a minute. There. You can just see the white line. Sorry, it's dark, but there. Hopefully you'll be able to see the way they've laid out there. I think it suits it quite nice. Anyway, don't worry, dear viewers. We are not done yet. Right, dear viewers. Here we are. A parcel shelf. Whoopsie. Had it the wrong way around. This is the parcel shelf and boot hide. Sorry, the parcel shelf's coming in. It's been a long day. But the boot protector's in. Looks quite good, doesn't it? That should sort things out. Whoops, just a second. There you go. Much better. All nice and neat. Okay, that's my car mods for the time being. Thank you very much for watching, if you could see through, and I will see you in the next one. For now.